Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit on how to replace an electric range switch. For this, we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4 inch drive. Before doing any maintenance on an appliance, you want to make sure you remove the power source. This could save you a bunch of problems. Now, before removing any wires, I like to go ahead and take a picture with a cell phone or a camera. That way I know exactly where the wires go back. That way when you get your new item in, you can go ahead and put it right back with no problems. Keep in mind, you're probably going to have to order this item from the manufacturer to make sure you meet the specifications. After taking the picture, go ahead and remove the wires from the terminal ends. Go ahead and remove the switch by pressing on the wings to relieve the pressure and pull out. Here's our switch. A lot of times you can find the model number on here so you know exactly what to order from the manufacturer. Once you get your new item in, go ahead and place it back in there. Make sure it clicks into place. Now, reference your picture and put your terminals back on. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to replace a switch on an electric range. Thanks for watching.